want some more? Yes?
Yeah. This is her first time eating applesauce by itself.
Good girl, honey.
I don't know if she likes it. It looks like she does and doesn't. She doesn't know what to make of it. I think she does like it.
Last bite, sweetheart. Okay, here you go. All done. All done.
Yummy.
Ah, just great job. One bite. Here you go, sweetie.
There you go.
Oh,
Oop,
that, you kind of
missed.
missed that whole thing. Come here.
One more time, honey.
Hold on, sweetie. Come here. Now. One more bite. You all done? Okay, there you go. Good girl, honey.
Something new and tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum.
Girl, don't cry. I want to give her the rest of her bottle.